In this video, we show how to replace a DC-SCM and attic board in a PowerEdge R7725. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove a DC-SCM and attic board with the cover and risers 1, 3, and 2 removed from the system, disconnect the data cable from the attic board and then lift up on the blue latch and then pull the board out of the system. To remove an attic board from a DC-SCM board, first loosen the 2 captive screws to secure it to the board. Then lift up on the board and free it from the pins. To install an attic board, first align it with the pins and press down on the circle and then tighten the 2 captive screws. To install the DC-SCM and attic board, align it with the rear of the system, slide it all the way in until fully seated, then close the blue latch to secure it in place, and then reconnect the data cable to the attic board. For more information or assistance about the PowerEdge R7725, visit dell.com/support.